Good Saturday afternoon, everybody. It's Wendy here for another messy tutorial. Now, when I start this, you probably know what I'm going to be doing with this. I'm going to be using the stamp set, Delicate Dahlias, and a Pear Pizzazz Celebration. I hope you can see that. Oh, can you? No, you can't. Oh, Wendy. It's a celebration item, which means that if you spend either £40 or £90, you get free gifts. They're all different stages. So, I mean, it's all in the little booklet that I've got. I don't know whether it's online. It might be. But if you want a booklet and a July to December catalogue, please head over to my Facebook page, because I'm on all of them, Facebook, YouTube and Blogger, and send me a private message on Facebook, and then I can get the little catalogues out to you then. Right, so I'm using Pear Papaya, Mango Melody, Polished Pink and Fresh Freesia. Very strange combination, I know, but it's the overall colour I want at the end of it. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to go boing. And I'm going to do it like in a cross, because it does matter actually. And you can see the end result if I actually get one this time. This is turn 3. Could be 4, because it doesn't seem to be working out. It's silly today. It really has been a silly day. Give that a wipe. Dunk it in again. Earlier on I tried it and I was using the full pad like that, but it was making far too much colour and mess. It was everywhere. Right, so what I've done, I've polished pink, I've done the pale papaya. Now I'm going to do the fresh freesia. Oh, isn't that lovely? Right. This is also a good way of laying colour down without diddly jigs. Yeah, you know what I mean. There. And now for the wonderful Mango Melody. I think I'll have to wash this block afterwards. It's starting to colours getting to be the same colour. Right. Oh, birds everywhere. Oh, they're arguing again. Right, Mango Melody. Didn't do much of it, did I? Never mind, it doesn't matter because I have got the other bit there. There we are. Right, clean that off. Throw that in the bin. Look at my hands. Oh, never mind. It's the same colour as my nail varnish. My daughter did them for me yesterday. Right, and I will do the same with the stamp. And I have to stand up for this. Oh, stand up, I think, for this, so I can see what you can see. Right, doing like that, you see, you are more or less the same size as the head of dahlia. Look at that, isn't that fun? I should have put under. Do you know the number of times I forget to put something under these? Right, and where's my paper? Is this one? Yeah. Now what I should have done, I should have put more. Right, I'm going to put a bit of water on the paper. Just another little sprays. Then pick it up and put it down. Give it a good firm pressure. I should have had my other mats, but this has got a little bit of a pressure, so I'm hoping that that's going to be, it's going to work, doing it like that. Right. There then. Ooh, Well, that looks good, doesn't it? Just going to clean things off a minute, and while that's drying off, I shall put it in front of the fan also. Sorry you can hear the fan, but it's been a funny old day today. It's cooler than it has been, but you know that feeling you get just before a thunderstorm. Oh, sorry, feeling you get just before a thunderstorm. Well, that's what we got at the moment. Right, so yeah, it should be alright. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get. Once I can get this off. Yeah. Right, I'm going to put the filler in there, and now I'm going to get the outer bit. Now then, because I've used watercolour here, I'm going to have to use the archival ink. Now, archival is waterproof, so it will stain your stamps, but I know they might look horrible because they're stained, but it doesn't do them any damage at all. That looks well stamped, inked, doesn't it? Good fingers. Right, now then, hover. Now it's time to do a bit of hovering to see. You know, there's no point doing it over here because you're going to have a white bit. So I'm doing it over here and then up a bit and down a bit and down, 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 way on down. I'm going to shut this all up before I get into a mess. Right, so we lift this up, hold the paper down with your finger or whatever, because when you pull it up, it's going to stick. There we go. It's a lovely little dahlia. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to do a bit of, need some green. Oh, come on out. Typically, when I, you know, the more hurry up you're in, the worse things are, because you go, oh, flutter, flutter. Right. I'm going to put one little leaf on there. Check your block, especially if you're doing something like this. Because the last thing you need to do now is to get a smudge anywhere near it, isn't it? Now what I'm going to do, I'm just trying to find a space that I can. Would it fit up here? It might fit up here, mightn't it? Yep. So I'm going to wipe that bottom bit away. There. And then I can put it. Oh, look at that! It's only just two. It's the one piece, and that was with the light colour. And then I'm going to go in with the filler. So you can tell that's a filler because there isn't any deep lines in there. I'm going in with Old Olive for this one. Yeah, check your block. You just stand up so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. And then, what should we say here? Who's that got? Thank you kindly. I'm going to have to wash all these up now when I get back. Oh, no, when I get back. When I finish. Which would probably be after this one. Thank you kindly. This hasn't been stamped before, so With the stamps on you, you do need to give them a bit of a, just a bit of a wiggle, just to get the residue off the front of the stamp. I think they put it in to protect it, so I may be covered in, can't I? I think my shower will be covered all colourful ink tonight. Right, here we are. And for a very few quick messy steps, you've got the top of your card. I'll be putting this onto the card tomorrow and I shall let you know what it looks like. So thank you for staying with me, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a good evening and stay cool and stay safe. Bye.